Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about method overriding in Java and how can we use method overriding programmatically. To understand method overriding, let us have a look on the points given over here. The same method name with the same parameter can be defined with different set of statements in different classes, base class and derived classes in inheritance. The base class method definition will get overridden by the derived class method definition once it will get called. @ override is the annotation which we can optionally use to override the method. Method overriding is otherwise known as runtime polymorphism in Java. So, let us have a look on the graphical architecture and pseudocode of the program so that we can convert it to the Java code and execute and analyze the output. Here we can able to see one class. This is called base class, base test. So, base test is having a member called public void test method. So, the job of the public void test method is to print base. Now, if we will come down, we can able to see derived test. Derived test extends base means derived test is the derived class for base test class. The same public void test method is defined in other way inside derived class. So, the job of this public void test method is print derived. If we will call the test method by using the object of the derived class, what will happen? The definition of the derived class method will be the output, because we mentioned in one point over here the base class method definition will get overridden by the derived class method definition. So, that is the reason here the output will be the derived class method definition. So, let us execute and check how exactly it is working. I am creating one class, let us say base test 11 and this is the main class. Now, let us say I have another one class base test 10. This is one class. Now, the member of the base test 10 is one simple method, that is test method as we discussed in the document. Just it is this test method will print we are in base class. Now, similarly the base test 11 extends base test 10. Now, the job of the in base test 11 also we can define the same method. So, public void type test is the method name, and let us say the job of the test method is to print we are in derived class. Now, what we need to do is we need to call the test method. So, as the derived class is base test 11, let us create an object for base test 11 and let us say bt11 dot test method we will just call. So, the base class method will be overridden by the derived class method. So, we are expecting the output as we are in derived class. So, let us execute and check. Yes. So, the program is behaving as per our own understanding and expectation. So, this is what known as method overriding, where the derived class method definition is overridden, or the base class method definition is overridden by the derived class method definition. So, if we want to see the output for the base class method definition, even that also is possible. We need to create the object for the base class. So, let us create the object for the base class. Let us say it is BT10 and let us say BT10 dot test. I am again calling the same method. So, what will be the expected output over here? The output is we are in base class. So, the output will be we are in derived class and we are in base class. So, let us check what is the output. Fine. So, this feature is known as method overriding in Java, which is otherwise known as runtime polymorphism. I hope it is clear. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning.